We are here. Busy. Sabi tulog niya, oh. Andito po tayo sa Cranberry Restaurant with all the cranberry tea. Cranberry tea din po kadyanan. Yummy? Cheesecake, Pika?
No.
Just a cake.
Quark.
Ay, quark.
Like thick yogurt.
Like our Nathan. And then we're eating in 1.5 hour.
1.5
Yeah.
hour?
Almost.
It's 3.
Yeah.
1.5 hours is 4:30, so
Oh.
2.5 hours.
Wrong calculation. Puro cranberry po ito dito. Ito yung tiko, cranberry po yan. At yung kay Bianan. Ay, you bought this, Vika?
Yeah.
Everyone is tired from cycling.
Yes, now I'm sleeping.
Napagod yan siya because Nathan was sleeping and then he needed to use 3
Muscles
arms.
that I don't use usually. So now my muscles that I don't usually use hurt.
You know what he said? He said, that was funny. What did Papa said? Kita niya, tawa-tawa kami ba?
Hello, Doc.
Do you taste? Ay, the same? Jasmine cranberry.
If you like it, we can buy it. Eh?
I like it.
You want it at home?
Yeah, with the big pot.
Welke is dat?
Wow, the jasmine tea. Jasmine cranberry.
Oké, jullie kunnen deze ook wel even proeven.
Which one is that you have?
Ah,
Patiti lang muna tayo dito, guys.
Big alarm.
Ayuputan na lang.
rust je nog wel?
You want more? Si Nata naman meron siyang cranberry juice.
Cranberry pear juice.
Cranberry pear juice.
That's a good one.
Yeah, good one.
When we're back in Midland, I'm buying all the VOC melange they have.
What is that?
The tea that we got here last time.
Oh yeah, our favorite tea. Garner's favorite, is that the one? Or not?
Is jouw
No,
laatste?
that one was
It's from the
already.
other one.
The tea was already not.
Dan doet
There, when Garner was...
Yeah.
Okay.
When Garner was there, the tea was already gone because
Mga
we like
adik
that
sa
so
tea.
much.
je dat?
Chicken banana.
Nag-tiktok na.
Banana.
Titiktok ng lola niya. Nathan,
Banana.
darling, hold my hand.
Chicken banana. Chicken
Darling, hold my hand.
banana.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday. Nothing holds my hand.
Chicken banana.
Agara siya, oy.
Chicken banana.
Tingnan niyo ang tea na binili niya.
Fietstas
Is this for your workmate, mahal?
for my work. Yeah.
Wat is dat?
Yan yung ano niya. Ni-request niya kay Daniel. And this one for us, mahal. With jasmine. Ito yung ininom namin ngayon. Nagustuhan din ni Daniel.
Hoeveel zit erin?
I don't know. That's a lot.
250 gram.
And how much is this?
10 euros.
Not bad.
Nee, het
10
valt mee.
euros.
Ja.
You like it? Nagustuhan niya din yung tea. With cranberry and jasmine. Yummy.
Yummy.
Dat is wel gek, dat hartje.
Getting ready now. It's biking again. Tara na, guys. Dami niya na namang tanong sa tatay niya. Magano na tayo? Check-in. Wow, so beautiful. Wow. Look at that, everyone. Oh. Ganda ng mga papuno nila dito. Akalain nyo yun? Nakatatlong vlog tayo sa araw na ito. Oh my gosh. Sinipag ang inday ninyo. Huwag nyo akong hinahamon. Baka makalimang vlog tayo for today. Ito talagang hindi ko maintindihan ba? Na parehas naman kami ng pagbike. Pero palagi akong nahuli at hindi ko po sila maabutan. Ganyan ang mga paano namin dito, puno sa Netherlands, guys. Paakyat na naman. I-try nga natin sa video na ito, hindi ako magreklamo sa bike. Alam ko talaga bad trip na kayo sa dalawang vlog. Ito ang sinasabi. Uy. Diyos ko. Wala akong sinasabi. Tingnan nyo ang mga octopus. Kalayo na nila sa akin. Ano good itong paa ko? Ang galamay natin guys. Ang ano lang to, pang squid. Sa kanila pang octopus. Mga galamay kahaba. Isang pedal nila parang katluhin sa akin. Still here. Wow. Sana all electric. Why? Yeah, because one step of your bike is 3 for me. You have octopus feet. Ayun, hinintay ako ni Daniel. Nauna na naman siya kay kabagal ko daw. Look at that. Wow. Dito po kami palaging tumatambay ni Daniel kahit nung wala pa po si Nathan. Kasama na din natin si Bianan dito. Oh! What is that?
Laat maar mooi liggen.
Daar ook.
Zodat andere mensen het ook nog kunnen zien.
Is that an ash mahal?
No.
Oh.
It's just yeah, like that.
Oh yeah,
Art.
an art. Oh.
En dat is...
Niet er doorheen lopen, hè?
Waarom?
Dan gaat het kapot en dat moet niet.
Maniniyot. Dito kami nagtambay. Dati ba? Mag-ano, upo-upo.
Wat is dat?
That is on? You remember, Mahal, you were peeing there, Mahal?
Long time ago.
Yeah, Nathan was not there yet.
En waar ben ik dan?
In the balan van Papa.
Waar ben ik dan?
In the balan van Papa.
Ben ik,
Ay, bye.
ben ik in je buik?
Yeah, nothing holds my hand.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Itong anak ko, may humor talaga to ba? Alam niya paano ako inisin. After this, Mahal, hotel.
Ja, de hotel is almost near.
Yeah.
It's very close by.
Mag-check-in ako muna kami. Mag-check-in na din si Bianan. Alas 3 din kasi ang check-in nila doon.
You take this again? Thank you that I was allowed to borrow that.
Of course. Anything you can borrow. Even my Andy, Mahal, you can borrow.
I don't want to borrow your Andy.
Why not?
I just need to borrow your...
My manyak. You know what my husband said? Nice vacation, Mahal. I will have muscle ache. You wanted this. You wanted this. You wanted not electric. I told you, Mahal, let's get electric. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. You get electric.
Yeah, you get electric and then you... No, I don't want that. No, I don't want that. Man, I want electric.
Sabi ko sa kanya mag-electric. Ayaw niya man talaga. Pangit din siya lang, no? Siya lang ang hindi mag-electric sa amin. I will not do that to you, Mahal, that I will get electric and you are not.
Why not?
Because I have conscience.
Mahal, it is better for you to have electric and I don't, and that at least you will be behind me instead of both of us not having electric and I'm looking behind me and I cannot see you. And then I need to wait.
Oh, here, ook Nathan, kijk.
Hebben we
Meron din sila
reservering.
dito. Mga bata daw yan.
Hier is nog een kunstwerkje, Nathan. Kijk.
Dito din.
En hier is 4.
At,
Kom maar, we gaan weer naar de fiets.
at ito. Now, let's go! Ay, nakarating din tayo dito. Nilakad ko na, guys. Hindi ko na kinaya. Nag-ano na ba? Nagkurug-kurug na talaga ang paa ko. Mahal, dati Mahal. Can you help me? Dati, see the food? Ang sabi ni Daniel, ang ano daw, ang quality ng bike sa pinaganuhan namin, pinagrentahan. Ha? Yeah. ang quality nila pangit, pati yung kanya nahirapan din po siya. Kaya sabi niya nga na ang muscle niya masakit na. Pero kay Bianan, maganda daw ang bike niya. Buti na lang. Kaya baka siya pa ang nahirapan. 73 years old na ba yung Bianan natin, guys. Sabi ni Daniel, wag na daw magrenta dyan sa sunod na magbalik po kami dito, no? Wow! Super deluxe! Wow, 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 wee! Bakit? Oh, look at that, guys. Wait, mahal, I'll just show them. Paano tayo pa room tour. And, oh! With a bath now! Oh! Now, Nathan can be there too. Swimming in the bath. And
the douche.
And the douche.
And the douche.
Kaganda ng ating kwarto. Aircon, aircon. Pero pinapatay ang aircon sa gabi. Tingnan natin.
Nice room.
Yeah, nice room. Tingnan natin kung patayan din tayo mamaya. Kay ano na to, pang 3 beses na to na dito po kami, no? Ano na yung itsura natin, guys. Nakapasok na tayo sa ating kwarto. Ha? Gutom ka na? Pag sure, uy, nagkain kayo ng cake ni Uma. So ito na nga, muntik pa tayo hindi makapasok dito. Kay parang, ano ba, they're doing it. Ha?
You want to eat breakfast here? We can pay extra for him.
Yeah.
And also we can eat here if she wants, but maybe she has breakfast there too. I don't know.
Yeah, but I'll tell them first what happened, mahal. Kaya nandito na kami. Tapos ang nabook pala, 2 tao lang. Tapos nandyan si Nathan. Sabi niya, kausapin ko na muna ang may-ari. Na, kay kami nag-isip na kami, paano man natin ito gawin? Ngayon, kaya naisip namin si Vika, pwede man siya doon matulog or si Daniel ba doon ang matulog. Pero sabi ni Daniel, dito pa rin daw kami, no? They're making it complicated. Because, mahal, what happened, they have also 3 persons bed.
Yeah.
But it is more expensive. And it's like almost 600 euros for 2 nights. Ngayon, and I was thinking, Nathan is, what is that? Nathan is a child. He can sleep with us. Like that ba?
Yeah.
Kaya, pang 2 tao lang ang kinuha ko. Mas mura-mura man ito, pero
Do
tingnan
you
niyo.
remember our room in Japan?
Yeah.
It's like half size of this bed.
3 of us. But we will let him sleep here, mahal.
Yeah.
Pero kung mag-ano talaga sila, guys, magbagot-but talaga sila. Si Nathan, pwede yan matulog kay Bianan. Or si ano ba, si Daniel ang matulog doon. Or kami dalawa ni Bianan ang magtabi. Sabi ko, dito ka matulog. You sleep here with Mama and Papa.
Now,
Happy.
let's go.
Ay, let's go. Oh, my sweating. Ay, nasakay na. Siguro naisip niya ba na padagdagan na lang yung price namin. Ang nabayaran ko po dyan, 2 nights, 380 euros. Habang kinakausap niya yung may-ari, nagtingin agad ako sa booking. Saan tayo makalipat ng hotel? Kaya baka paalisin kami ba? Pero hindi masiguro mag-charge lang sila ng mas malaki. Wala na, guys. Wala nang hotel. Fully book lahat sa kadami-daming hotel dito. Ilan ko to? 3 village ko to. Puro hotel, mga camping area, wala na. Guys, surrender na ako sa pagbay. Hindi ko na talaga kaya paakyat. Sorry lang. Grabe. Ang mga kalamnan ko sa may singit ko ba? Parang na gano'n, no? Cannot anymore, mahal, with the going up? No, ba going up ba?
I have a hint for you. A tip.
A tip.
A tip.
Oh.
When you're going up,
Oh.
I know you want to film the struggle because the struggle is real.
No, I am not
But just
filming.
stop filming when you go up.
I am stopping filming, but when I'm super kapoy English, oy, dali na.
Also, wait. See, you're going down a tiny bit here and then you go back up.
Yeah.
On the tiny bit going down, try to get as much speed as you can so it's easier to go up.
Yeah, sige. Hotel ni Bianan, guys. Ayun na siya, oh. Naghintay na sa atin. We are in the west, everyone. Pinag-uusapan nila yung about sa hotel. Look. Wow. Yes. Where is that then? Ice cream. Dami-daming tanong ni Nathan. Hindi pa siya napagod. Nakuha na ni Bianan ang coat niya, guys. Tingin-tingin pa. 30% sale. Sin Daniel naman nagtitingin ng kite. You want a new kite, my love? 80 euros. And this one, 100.
No, not this one.
Big one? This one is very big. Meron po kaming reservation sa restaurant. Yung pinagkakainan po namin ni Daniel. Paborito, hindi tagyan mawala na mag-dinner kami dyan sa Storm po na restaurant. Trip po natin para sa birthday ko. Bikinis, guys. Anong size to? Magandang kulay, oh. Size 30% po siya. Uy, kamahal. Diyos ko, Lord. Oh! 28 euros for this one, Vika.
Yeah.
Wow. There's Daniel.
In de boekenwinkel. Wat
Yeah.
is daar?
He's looking for us.
Ik heb deze niet aan.
Ja, die wel.
Deze. Nee, deze. Daarboven. Die heb ik. De rode.
De rood. Nee, die kan hij niet. Kijk eens omhoog wat de grote toren.
The Tower of Terschelling. Wow. Asarap pabuhay ba? Andito ang uma niya magbantay. May tagasagot sa kanya.
Deze dan.
A bag. Hindi pa tayo natapos sa bag-bag na yan. West Terschelling. May Hema din po sila dito. Hema Netherlands. Ang ata yung Hema, guys. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan, guys. Busy na ang mga restaurant. Bag serie. Whatever you want, my love. That is also nice.
This is also new Rebels like they had in the...
Yeah, good looking. How much?
This one is more expensive, also more bigger, I think.
Yeah.
I like the one they had there more.
Pasok na muna tayo dito, guys. Baka makabili ako dito ng pang-ahit ng kilay. Wala man silang pang-ahit. Why?
This is to
Wala silang
hold it up, right?
Hold it up? Oh yeah, boob tape.
Ah, Vika, for you.
Boob tape daw para kay Bianan. Wala sila. Sinatan ba? Gutom na daw siya. Ako din gutom na. Parang nagreklamo na ang tiyan ko. Si Bianan din gutom na daw. Anong oras pa ba? Dobi? Alas 5. I'm very hungry now, mahal. Like super duper hungry. Nag-order po ako ng mixed grill.
See guys, this is what the restaurants in Davao promise me when it's on their menu. And every time I ask, they say, oh sorry, no, we don't have it here. Maybe in Manila.
Nasa menu kasi they have it in the menu.
They have it in the menu and then I ask and then they don't have it.
Oh, starter guys. Tinapay is live.
Maar ik hoef van oma.
Fan Oma. Ayaw niya daw ng action. Hindi wow. Sana all. Gusto niya daw yung bigay ng uma niya. With aioli and what is that, my love?
Tapanada.
Tapanada. May itlog yung aioli. Gusto ko i-try ba tapanada. Isang kagat lang. Ayaw ko magkain
You
kaya
want like this or
ng
more?
ganito ng marami. Just like this. Kaya mabusog na tayo.
Kijk Nathan.
Pinag-uusapan namin ngayon about sa bike. Kailangan daw siguro na pataasan yung pag-bike ko kay nakabend ang knees ko. So that will change the... Alam niyo,
It's a lot heavier when you are sitting on the wrong height.
because I told Daniel where it is hurting. Sa may singit ko siya magsakit. Yeah? Then I'll try that then.
But it's still, the bicycles are old
Yeah.
and you can feel it. There's more friction
Yeah,
and everything.
I wonder why it's in with my singit ba?
Yeah, then you're using different muscles than you are supposed to use if your seat is not high enough.
At that. Thank you.
This one is for you.
Walang mayonnaise. Oh, yummy. Meron tayong mixed grill. Ang order ko, meron po siyang chicken, pork, at beef. Wow. Happy birthday. Yan, boat siya. Wow. Ipakita din doon kanya. Wow, yummy. And kay Bianan, fish. Wow.
Wauw, lekker.
Okay,
Beef.
then.
Wauw,
Beef.
lekkere appel.
Kain
Getting
everyone.
ketchup, Maha.
Yeah. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes. Now,
Dat is een
for
beetje...
the allergy, iba ang salad natin.
Lekker jongens.
Yeah.
Eet smakelijk.
Eet smakelijk.
Patatje, jij hebt ook patatjes, hè?
Yes. Dankjewel.
Yes, dankjewel.
Alsjeblieft. Het is goed.
Mm. I want to try the pork.
Beetje. I like ketchup more.
Lekker.
Zo.
Het is een mooie boot, maar het is wel moeilijk voor hem om te eten zo.
Salad.
Ik zou bijna zeggen dat het gewoon op een
Moet er
bord
even
is.
uit?
Yummy?
Het is goed. Ja?
Nasa dessert na siya, guys. Tingnan niyo ang anong fish niya. Ang order niya, fish and chips. She ate all the fish. Wow! Lekker, or? Guess the bill na kami dito. How much for you?
125.
I said 120. And I did
And
not
I
calculate anything.
Nee.
Mick is calculating.
115.
Yeah, me too. 150. Yan na ang dessert nila, guys. So, coffee and cognac, mahal.
Drambuie.
Drambuie.
Liquor. This is how you get your liquor in the Netherlands.
Yeah, I know this.
No chaser.
Yeah. You know the last time ba, Maricel, she has visitors. And then now, they were giving liquors, Vika. They had liquors. And then, she was saying, oh, my visitor is drinking like whiskey and no chaser at all, no water, no juice. But I told her, that's what it is here. They don't do chasers. It's only in the Philippines.
She still doesn't know.
No. Yeah. Like, hindi sila nag-chaser. No chaser here. Ang tanduay, you know tanduay, when we are in the Philippines, Daniel is not drinking water at all. And then my family, Vika, my family is like, Mom!
What you sip here?
Yeah.
You can
Yeah.
do shots, but normal people, under normal circumstances, you just
Yeah, sip. Your liver is strong.
because you know what you do in the Philippines. You take a bottle of tanduay, and even though you use a chaser, you drink the whole bottle.
Yeah.
That's what we don't do
Sa atin
here.
kasi shot. You know, in the Philippines, Vika, they shot you like this and then you drink it and then they drink it with water. In here.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Hala, ano yan? Als je niet meer wil, dan hoeft niet eten, okay? Ja, dan eet papa. Oh. 145. Happy about? Okay na. Busog na masyado, guys. Si Daniel umihi pa. Mag-ano na muna tayo, grocery. Look at the tower. Tower of Terschelling. Isa po yan sa pinupuntahan dito. Vika, you can also go to the tower, right? There, up there, but you need to pay. I think. Pay, betalan. Sarado na po mga stores. Pa 360. Tingnan niyo ang anak ko, tingnan niyo ang anak. Oh! Si Vika, guys, si Bianan, adik po yan siya sa mga pa-bird-bird.
Nou, een hele rare kievit.
Afvalvogeltje.
Oh, die is
Ja.
mooi.
Ja, die andere zijn wel mooi.
Oh! My husband likes this. He wants that for me. Gusto yung mga 90s. Vika, you don't want?
No, no bikini anymore. Is het een nice bra? Nee, ik heb mooie binnen.
What about this one? And then also with the stripsy, one boop
Yeah,
out.
that's nice. Prima Donna is een
Yeah.
nice...
Nighties. Dat is een
merk.
nightie.
Dat is een mooi merk.
Yeah.
You have nice nighties, Mahal.
Yeah, I have.
Wear them for me.
Yeah, I brought.
Brood.
Yeah, I brought.
Dan
Ah.
toch wel daar met z'n allen.
Look at your son.
Nee, I cannot because I have menstruation dito.
Wat? Oh ja. Nou ja.
Maybe you forgot we were buying tampons and
Oh, yeah.
napkins.
What does it matter?
Doesn't matter daw. Oh, ice cream, baby love. Look. Oh. Magkain tayo ng lunch dito, guys. Masarap yung ano nila dyan. Tinapay na may sardinas. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan, ha? Kahit sarado na. Dito tayo galing kanina, oh. Mahal, oh.
Ja.
Nu is het €2,20 per flesje.
Oh ja.
Of €2,60
Wat?
voor die. Diezelfde dingen, gewoon in een krat.
Ah, pag sure. Pag sure.
Kijk,
Nakadalawang ice cream ka today.
kijk een eikel.
Oh, so mooi. Wow. Dali na, okay na.
Oh, ik kijk een
Dat
eikel.
kost je een sixpack voor.
Kijk, daar is de eikel.
Yeah, wow.
De rode eikel.
Oh, lekker. That's from Bose, denk ik. Wow.
En de biggetjes
De biggetjes zijn ook lekker, hè?
en alle toepjes ga ik kijken.
Okay, now, we gaan naar buiten. Papa mo tatalen. Tingnan niyo, tingnan niyo. Nagtingin lang siya sa mga sweets. Yun lang yun. Sinabi niya lang, nakakakita. Tik, tik, tik. Wiyo, wiyo. Kabait naman talaga. Thank you, Lord. Sabi mo, thank you, Lord. Binigyan mo ako ng ganito kabait na anak. Tik, anong nakita mo dyan? What is that? What's here there?
Zie deze.
What is that?
Ik maak een foto van deze.
Oh! Now, come on. Nagpicture-picture daw siya. Tik, tik, tik. Pinaalam niya lang na may mga candy siyang nakita. Now, where's Oma? Ayun si Oma, kay. Dahil si Oma. Dinan. Nagbayad pa si Daniel. Bumili ako ng pistachio. Oh, lekker. Pistachio for Natanya.
Wij kijken nog.
Parang uwian na ito, guys. Anong oras na? Are we going home? 7:40.
Ja.
Magpahinga na, uy. Magpunta daw muna si Bianan sa ating hotel. Maglaro tayo ng cards. Nathan! Nathan, gusto mo mag-sleep kay Oma?
No.
Agoy! He doesn't want to sleep with you.
Nee, ja.
Wil je met oma slapen?
Ga ik ook wel lekker naar huis, jongens.
Baby love, wil je met oma slapen?
In een lekkere huis.
In the lekkere house. Niet here? You need to show him that you are posing because then he will show you the photo. So,
Laat allemaal zien, de foto.
let oma see the photo. Oh, so mooi. May imagination siya, guys. Oh! Imagination picture.
Kom eens even hier. Kom eens even hier. Ja, even.
Tara na, oy.
Hey, kijk.
Oh, wow! What a photo! Wow!
Yeah, wow.
Wow!
You need to come here.
Yeah, and then...
Moet je ernaast?
Yeah, like that. A little bit higher, mahal. How will I know?
Naast.
Okay na, guys. Naayos na ang aking bike.
Ik wel.
Let's go.
That should help.
Yeah. Thank you.
En mama, daar
Nakatulong naman po yung inayos ni Daniel, pero wala, maramdaman ko na talaga buong legs ko na ang sumasakit, guys. Hindi din kasi na tayo sanay mag-bike ng ganito layo buong araw. Mag-bike si Bian natin yun. Ganyan-ganyan lang yan, 73 years old, pero Mas magreklamo pa nga ako. How's your muscle, Vika? Still good, your muscle?
What? Yeah?
Your muscle still good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wow. They hurt a little bit
Yeah.
in my legs.
Wala daw siyang aircon, guys. Wala silang aircon doon. Yeah. Kasi alam niyo po, hindi lahat ng mga hotel dito may aircon. Ito meron. Kamahal-mahal na nga yung kwarto ni Bianan. Wala pang aircon. Anong nabayaran niya doon? 194 euros. Isang gabi lang. Mag-uwi na diyan siya bukas. Tayo maiwan dito. Ja, wil je spelen?
Mag ik?
Samen spelen? Misschien dat je samen met oma mag spelen. Ja.
Ganyan na magbalasa ngayon. Tinamad na.
Because this is the first time the cards are shuffled.
Ah, this is new?
This is new, yes.
Papajama na siya. Drie.
Allemaal echt.
Why did you say 3? Why did you say 3?
Why did you say three? Why did you say three?
Kijk,
Eén omhoog.
ik heb deze.
Ayaw niyang manood. Gusto niyang magsamok-samok.
Did you just deal?
Daniel.
Yeah, I did.
Or did Vika just dealt, right?
Nou is God.
Ik ben papa.
If you can do
that perfectly,
then you know the perfect trick for magic cards. Because what you just did right now, if that was perfect, you didn't change anything in the deck. It's exactly the same as it was. You do this twice, and the deck is exactly the same as it was.
Ik ga een kaartje gooien.
He's just saying that because he cannot do this.
No, that's true. If that's Mahal. That is one of the skills in magic tricks. Because if you do that twice, the deck is exactly the same as it was before.
Exactly,
Ja,
good.
precies. Ik doe de lunch.
Ay, guys.
Ja, en de koffie als je verliest.
Guys. Kung, what was that? If who
Ja, Mahal.
Lose, then you have to pay for
Mahal, ha? So better change your ways and play with your husband now. Because your money is my money.
Kasi tinutulungan ko si Vika. Ngayon sabi ni Bianan, kung sino daw ang matalo, siya ang magbayad ng coffee para bukas.
Nou,
Okay.
Daniel.
Mahal, congratulations. You need to pay for the coffee tomorrow.
Wie?
Yeah, because you are losing. You need to pay.
Zo heb je.
Tayo ang manglibre ng coffee. Natalo ako, guys.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
You pay for the coffee, and then Vika can pay for the tea and the chocolates and the gebak.
Nou, I pay for the lunch.
Happy birthday.
Eerst die.
Uy, maybe they will think your money is your money and my money is my money. So guys, nag-enjoy naman kayo sa vlog natin for today's video.
That's why I was complaining. Because Vika said that the loser of the game will pay. Which means that there's a higher chance that we need to pay.
Yeah. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.